Hey guys, Alan here from Gods of Wall Street. Just a quick video on how to install MT4 and the robots on your VPS. Okay, and sorry about the background noise there. Okay, so we use the remote desktop. For Windows, you can search it there. Remote desktop connection. On Apple, you can install the app. It's called Microsoft Remote Desktop Connection for Apple. So there it is. Okay, so we use on computer there. That's where you're going to put the IP address, which privete.com will give you, or any other VPS provider will give you. That's what you put there on computer. Okay, so there you put the IP address. It's a set of numbers separated by full stops. So once you put there, you click on more options, and then on username there you put administrator. All these details PIVPS will give you, or any other VPS provider you'll be using, they will give you these details. What's important is the password. The password, you do not share it with anyone. That's what's important. So you click allow me to save credentials, then you say connect. It's going to prompt you for the password, so you put the password which you'll be given to this new computer. So we are trying to log into a new VPS, a new computer, so that we can install MT4 and the robot on that computer. Okay, so here's the password. Then you say okay. Then you click on don't ask me for connection to this computer. Don't ask me again. So you say yes. Okay, so your new VPS has opened. It's just a computer. You are logging onto this VPS using your internet connection. It's just a new computer, and this got Google Chrome and all that, so we'll use that to install MT4. So let's go ahead and search for FX Pro MT4, since we want to install Metatrader4 and the account we're using is for FX Pro, so we install their Metatrader4. Okay, FX Pro Trading Platform Center. Okay, let's open that one. So we want to install MT4 on this remote desktop, on this VPS. We're using a VPS because we don't want to trade with a robot on the laptop. Okay, so mount terminal there. So we do not want to use the robot on our personal laptop or PC. We want to install it on the VPS, so that even if we switch off our laptops, the VPS will continue running. That's why we use a virtual private server. That's where we install the robot and MT4 and everything, so that even if we switch it off. Okay, so we are looking for FX Pro client terminal MT4. So let's go ahead and download for Windows. If you're using Windows, you download for Windows. If you're using Mac, you download for Apple. Okay, so as you can see down there, the download has completed. So let's go ahead and open. So we say open. So now we are installing the software for MT4 we've just downloaded. So we say next. MT4 is installing now. MT4 is installing. You can close the browser, it's no longer needed. Okay, so it's done installing. MT4 is done installing. MT4 is done installing, and it should be able to open on its own. As you can see, Metatrader4 has been installed and Meta has installed. So since the installation is done, MT4 will open on its own. MT4 will open on its own, and then once we open MT4, we log on to our accounts, and then we install the robots. Okay, since this is FX Pro MT4, it has a list of FX Pro servers, but if you're using a different broker, you have to search for the server. When you scroll down there, you have to search for the server there on add new broker if you're using a different broker. So the account will be using on this platform is fxpro.com real 5, and the server is actually third from the bottom. So once we click on real 5 there, we click on existing trade account, and then we use our login details which are given to us by the broker. So the broker will give you the details you have to enter here, the login and the password. So these details you input here are given to you by the broker. Then you say finish, and we are in. We've logged onto our new account, our new trading account. So as you can see, everything is up and running. So for the VPS, you can minimize or close it. Whether you close it or minimize it, the VPS will continue running in the background. It will continue running. So let me just minimize so that I can get the link to download the robots. So let me open this document. It contains the link to the robots. So let me just copy the link. So as you can see, US30 Quattro Antidote robots download link. So let's go ahead and copy that. Link. Then we go back to the VPS. I just minimized it. Okay, we open the browser and paste the link into the browser there, and we'll be directed to the robots. So the link is free for everyone. Activation is what's done once someone pays subscription, but these files are free for everyone, but they cannot work until subscription has been done. Okay, so we say keep there. Now let's go ahead and download the second file. Okay, so we've downloaded both files. we've downloaded both files, showing folder. We can close the browser, it's no longer needed. And then let's just create a folder on the desktop for the two robot files. Let's create US30 quattro antidotes robot. Okay, so enter. So let's just move these two files to this new folder on the desktop. Then we can close that. Okay, so as you can see, there are a lot of charts here. There's gold, UK 100, Apple, Brent. We don't need all these charts since we'll be using the robot on US30. So let's go ahead and close these. They are not needed. We only need the US30 chart. That's the only one we need. So it's right there on the market watch. We can just drag it there, expand, and then let's change the color code to black and white. Okay, candlesticks. Okay, let's remove the grid. Okay, so this one trades on the 30 minutes charts. We are trading the robots on the 30 minutes charts. So don't forget to change the time frame there, where I changed to 30 minutes. So now let's install these files into their respective folders on MT4. Okay, so I'll start by copying the robot file. The EX4 file is the robot file, it's the expert advisor. So I copy the EX4 file, and then on MT4 I click on file, then open data folder, and then I go to MQL4. I open MQL4 and then I open experts, and then the MACD and the moving average, those are inbuilt MT4 robots. We can delete them. We can leave the MQL catch, and then we paste the EX4 file. We paste our robot there in the experts folder. Let's close that. Let's minimize MT4. Now let's copy the application extension file. So we copy the application extension file. Same procedure. We go to MT4. We go on file. Then we open data folder. We click on open data folder there. Same procedure. Okay, it's open down there. Okay, so same procedure, MQL4, but this time around, instead of experts, we paste in libraries. So I open libraries, and then I say paste. Okay, so we have both files installed on our MT4. We can close that. We can close the market watch, since we've already put US30 on the charts there. Okay, so now on the navigator window there, you can see experts and others. So we right click on experts, and then we say refresh. So we refresh the experts. We can do it twice if you want, just to be sure. And then you open it. Okay, yeah, there's our robots. We just installed in the folder. The Gods of Wall Street US30 quadrant dot. We drag it to the charts. Once we drag it to the charts, it should read the Gods of Wall Street Quattro 98.0, copyright 2021, the Gods of Wall Street. Now on the common tab there, we have to allow live trading, we have to allow DLL imports, and then we have to allow modification of signal settings. So all these boxes have to be checked. And then on inputs here, the only thing we change here is the lot size. So the account I'll be trading is small, it's a 3,500 trading account here, so the lot size is 0.2. For a bigger account, you can increase the lot size. For a smaller account, you can reduce it further. So we say okay. So as you can see, the smiley face there is not smiling, meaning there's something wrong, and it's auto trading. It's not turned on. The robot is loading, as you can see there. Everything is set, and the lock there, it simply shows that we are connected. Everything is up and running. So I click there on auto trading, and the smiley face is now smiling, meaning everything has been set. Everything is up and running. When you click on the smiley face, you got the settings. Okay, so everything is up and running. On this account. Let's see on trade there, 3,595 runs on this account. Okay, it's a real account there, FX Pro real 5. Let's see the history. We have history on this account. We've been trading it using the robots. It's the account you see on my Instagram. Let's show all history. Let's see how the robots have been performing on this account. There's nothing to hide, guys. There's nothing to hide on this account. So the deposit was 3,125. And then those are the trades. As you can see, all trades hit take profits. As you can see, all these are the trades. You've been seeing these trades on my Instagram. It's a new account. We started with Nasdaq. Now we are trading US30. Since the US30 is suitable for small accounts, it has fewer drawdowns compared to the Nasdaq 100 robots. So that's the reason we changed from trading NAS to trading US30. Okay, that's a profit. That's a deposit. The withdraw is -1. Okay, so you've seen it all, guys. You've seen it all. You've seen the consistency. It's a short track record. We'll keep you posted on Instagram. As far as this account is concerned, we'll keep you posted on Instagram. Okay, so we are done here. We are done setting up everything. The robot is ready to start trading, and always minimize MT4. Don't close MT4, just minimize it. You can close the VPS, but don't close MT4, and always do the installation when markets are closed. So we'll go ahead and close MT4. It will continue running in the background. So we close. We are done installing everything. We can shut down the computer if we wanted. Things will continue running in the background. If we shut off everything or turn off the internet and all that. So the video ends here. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you very much.